Hello to my kindergarten friends. My name is Ryan. Today I will be showing you how to make our cat in the hat craft. The supplies that you will need will be a black circle, the cat, the hat, the stripes that you will put on the hat, the bow tie, glue, and one pair of scissors. First step, you will cut out your black circle. When you're done, it will end up like this. The second step you will do is you will cut out the cat's face. When you are done, it should look like this. The third step, you will glue the cat's face to the black circle. So you will glue on the back, do a good little circle, and put it in the middle of the black circle. Just like that, and smooth it around the edges. It should look like this. The next step, you will cut out the stripes that you will put on your hat. You will cut out all 3 stripes, and when you are done, you'll have 1 long stripe and 2 shorter stripes. The next step is you will glue your stripes onto the red hat. So the first part you want to do is glue this very well, the smaller line, glue it to the top of the hat, and then you're going to do the next shorter line. And then the long line, you will put it on the bottom half of the red hat. When done, the hat should look like that. The next part you're going to do is you're going to glue your hat to the cat's hat. Oh. The next part that you're going to do is you're going to glue the cat's hat to his head. You're going to glue the top part of the head and a little bit of the white, just to make sure. And then you're going to take the hat and you're going to smooth it, make sure it's steady and good. The final step that you will do is you will cut your bow tie. When done, the bow tie should look like this. Finally, you want to glue a lot of the bow tie. And then you're going to glue it to the bottom part of the cap. So when you're done, it should look like this. I hope you had fun making our cat in the hat craft today. And remember, today you are you. That is truer than true. There's no one alive who is youer than you. Have a great day.